everyone, it's your friend Robert, and I'm back again here at Addis Ethiopian Restaurant. I'm here chilling with my friend Johannes. He's the biggest YouTuber here in Columbus, Ohio, so I'm really honored and humbled to be.
Thank you so much, brother. I appreciate that.
Yeah, exactly. Yes, you're doing big stuff. So yeah, he's an amazing guy, and he took his time to come here with me and share some amazing Ethiopian food. As you can see, this is a veggie platter.
Yes.
So we'll be sharing all the great, amazing taste and flavors from this plate. So yeah, thank you for tuning in, and stick around, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Tell them a little bit about yourself.
I was going to say, before, I love Ethiopian food, but I have a YouTube channel called Afric Network. And on Afric Network, we talk about like Black history, African culture, travel. We do everything. So my channel is Afric Network, and please, if you could, check it out. Hopefully you like it. We have a lot of food over there. We don't have as much food as he does. Definitely stay tuned for this brother, because in the future he's going to be the biggest food YouTuber in the world. You're hearing that first from Afric Network.
Thanks, man. I appreciate that. The link to his YouTube channel on the description box.
Exactly.
So please go support the brother. He got some amazing content.
Should we get into the food?
Exactly. Let's get into the food.
Have you ever had injera before, right?
Yeah, I've had it before, and I like the texture and the sponginess that comes out of it. It looks like a honeycomb.
Look at that right
Yeah,
there.
it looks like a honeycomb. So it's very interesting. Awesome.
Definitely.
So
what are you going in for? Are you going in for the beets first?
yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the beets. Super colorful.
I'm going in for the lentils, because I know you're like a colorful brother. You like like as soon as you see red, you just like going for it. I'm like, okay, cool, but I'm gonna go in for the lentils. To Ethiopia.
To Ethiopia. Peace and love.
Peace and love. Some spiciness. The injera, a little bit sour, right? Then you have the lentils that have the spice.
Yep.
And like very well cooked. A little bit of like a little crunchy.
I like the beets because again they're a little bit sweet but crunchy too. You got a little bit of sourness, a little bit of saltiness, a little bit of the sweetness. So perfect combination. Yep.
I'm gonna try the beets, but I'm also gonna mix it with a little bit of cabbage.
So I guess like myself, I'll go with a lentil.
Okay.
And
in the beets.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Okay. So you're gonna probably have like a nice like cold and spiciness together. Okay, brothers.
There you go.
Let's do this.
Cheers.
That's a good combination.
Man, that's pretty dope.
Yeah. Wow.
Because again, the lentils, I like the tomato, sauce, a little bit of onions and stuff.
Do you see the spiciness?
And the spiciness too.
Exactly.
Yeah. How long have you been vegan?
I've been vegan for 7 years now.
7 years.
It's a long time. I'm the real deal.
Man, that's pretty dope. I mean, is there like a story behind why you switched from
from being like eating meat to
exactly
vegan?
Right?
You know what? There is a story behind it, but I don't know if I should say it right here.
Hey, you might as well.
Basically, I just didn't agree with like the way that they treated certain foods in America. So that's what sort of kind of made me switch. And like I just love animals now. I mean, whatever. That's cliche maybe, but I do see it in a different way now that I've been vegan for so long.
Okay.
So yeah, that's one of the reasons I became vegan.
You know Ethiopian food better than I do. What is this right here in the middle?
We have a variety of lentils. The beets, sort of. Let me actually taste it, because I'm trying to make sure I know what this is.
Yeah, it looks like the dough what sauce to me.
It is.
It is.
The actual lettuce and onions.
Yeah.
And then you obviously have like the greens. The greens are very similar to African American greens in America as well. And then we have corn. Yeah.
So this is corn?
Yeah, corn right here. Yep.
Oh, okay. Yeah, and this one is super spicy too.
Oh, let's do some greens. A little bit of greens.
Okay.
Right?
Yep.
And then we'll just put like a little bit of that in there, maybe.
All right, just a little bit of it?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right,
like
got some greens right here. Man.
Oh, look at you. Okay, I gotta get a little bit more, because you're going hard in it. Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Cheers. That's
good. See how the greens like sort of kind of cut the heat a little bit?
Exactly. I like that combination.
Definitely. I love how we're holding the plate up right now.
Yeah.
That's brotherhood right there.
I like that.
Let's do the corn, and then let's go back in for that hotness. Because the corn is like sweet, and the corn is like savory and sweet, and then we got like some hot. We're gonna mix it together.
I like that.
Let's go. You have the crunchiness of the corn, the sweetness, the heat's still there.
Yeah.
But it's not bad.
The sweetness helps to diffuse that spiciness.
Okay, let's try some of the salad.
So I thought you were getting the salad.
Oh
Yeah.
don't mind me. I'm just hungry.
You're
Don't
just
mind
doing
me.
your thing.
Wow, look at me. I'm like everywhere.
No, that's fine.
I'm so sorry.
That's what they do in Africa, right?
Right.
I think I'm gonna go with this middle
Oh yeah.
sauce. Cheers.
Nice. But you gotta be careful with the onion. If you mix the solid onion with the hot,
Yep.
you can get a little overloaded.
But I like the crunchiness too of the salad. And the tomatoes too. They're super fresh. And they're very juicy.
This is why I know you're gonna be the best food reviewer in the whole world. Cause like, look how you killing it, man. I'm trying to keep up out here.
That's so funny. Oh man, this is perfect. Now I'm not sure about the middle part. What is this? This middle part right here.
This is, to be honest with you, I think it's like injera mixed up with like carrots. So it's like injera mixed up with carrots. So there's different dishes in Ethiopia, and there's some dishes in Ethiopia where they like smash up injera, and they make it into another dish. It's actually a breakfast dish I never had before. I can't remember the name of it. Furfur, I think if I'm correct. Furfur.
Okay.
And basically it's like injera smashed up and they add different things to it.
Here.
Exactly.
Oh man, cool. Let me take a bite of that too.
You're gonna love this. This is gonna be like light and like salad, like a salad sort of.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
I'll let you have this one by yourself. That's good, huh?
I like that one.
Isn't that crazy how you can take like the same thing, injera, and then make it into something else? It's like a totally different dish.
Exactly. And for people that eat like, eggs and stuff, it tastes like scrambled eggs.
Yeah, but also, okay, it tastes like scrambled eggs, even though I haven't ate them for a long time. It tastes like scrambled eggs, but it also tastes like a cold pasta salad. Yeah, it tastes like a cold pasta salad a little bit, you know?
Yeah, it does have a little kick too, like spiciness and stuff, but it's not that too bad.
Nah. Look,
like
man, I'm trying to figure out where I'm coming with this injera right now.
Oh man, yeah, the bigger one, yeah.
Exactly. So I'm gonna take a little bit more of that.
Okay.
Thank you, brother. It's my time now.
Oh, you're
Taking a
welcome.
little of that. Let's go.
Cool.
Well, thank you so much, brother. I appreciate it. Everybody like and subscribe. You better turn on that bell notification for my good friend right here. And please watch his videos. Please like and subscribe. Yo, guys, if you want more food content, you know where you gotta come. You gotta come back here.
Exactly. And if you want to learn the history of Africa, the history of African Americans as well, Johannes is your host.
Exactly. Come
And
on.
also he does videos
I do.
on food.
I do.
So yeah, don't feel like you're just gonna go there for the history. No, you're gonna get a lot of stuff out of it.
Exactly. You're gonna get a whole bunch of stuff.
Exactly. And you know what they say, Johannes? Knowledge is power.
Knowledge is power.
Yep.
I'm the gift that keeps giving.
There you go, for free.
All right, for free. Oh yeah, for free. All you gotta do is subscribe, guys. Come on, just subscribe. Yo, appreciate you having me on your channel.
Thank you, Johannes.